Angela and Kevin's wedding. It's the Heinz Commune. Hey, Mimi. Hey. That's her hello.
More from Sam and Dave.
And yours.
And
the kids. That's what I want Mama to get for you. But a more updated version. I've got the older version.
That was good. That was a great.
We are here in Crozet.
Did you see Metallica?
Having Tizers and puppy things with a beautiful lake while the kids are over in La La Land. That's right, that's right. Hey, we didn't show you the big bear claw fang mark in our cabin here that Mimi and Granddaddy have at the front door. Gotta show you, I gotta record this. Excuse me, here we go. Here's the hero. Okay, measure the jawline of this particular window attacking you. Yeah, it's major. It's a big dang bear. And who's got the best scene in the house? Fanny Banani. Fanny's down there in her little doggy bed. Can you see her? You probably can't. Our little sweet Banani. She's having a little night time. She had enough of this fun cabin stuff. Anyway, love you, mean it. I didn't want to swing it around to get everybody dizzy. Michael.
So you saw Bonnet.
Kisses and loves.
It was
Ty. Kisses and loves. Congratulations, Angela. We love you. Robin. A message for Angela.
Hi, Angie. We're so happy. And Thomas in Gardenia.
Oh.
You'll be here this weekend.
What they did is the whole Rock and Roll Fame 25th
That's right.
Yay! They brought out Christmas Project and
can't wait till tomorrow.
They were the band and all these other performers.
And Nona goes, I love the cabins. They're so much fun. And thanks for inviting me because we had so much of a good time with all of our cousins. We love you, Angie. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I smile. Love you.
I'll put my tongue in next time.
All right, Granddaddy.
I
Angela.
am the bourbon sampler. All the children supply me with the best bourbon, and I make sure it's of the finest quality and give them recommendations thereafter.
Stevie Wonder first. Stevie Wonder's the band.
Hope you enjoy this operation later on.
We love you, Ange. Got a pretty little lake view, and you guys are having your reception right now. Love you, mwah. Kisses and hugs. Possum says extra kisses and hugs. Love you too, mwah.